Start building a stream of monthly income now. We show how it is possible to make thousands per month working part-time. Let me introduce you to our company called Wealth Step by Step. This is a worldwide business opportunity based in West Valley, Utah. The membership is just $28 per month. For your $28 monthly membership, you get a digital e-library with a wealth of information on health, mindset, business building, and wealth building, with new PDFs added every month. Just a few examples of what you will enjoy: Smart Money Habits, Morning Ritual Mastery, Decision-Making Formula, 365 Days of Dominance, The Invincible Mindset, The Art of Simplicity. You also get a discount shopping portal. Find savings by category, location, and special offers. Find whatever you need and get a discount code. As well, there are discount coupons for groceries, for restaurants, and for a 3 to 7 night stay at a resort. Lastly, there is a professional marketing system for you to use. Do you think that all this at just $28 is a great deal? In our opinion, a huge yes. For just $28 plus tax per month, you get all that plus an amazing community and list of resources. It will be $28 well spent. Then you can earn by sharing this valuable membership with others. We show you how. You can even use this video you are watching. Nothing is better than residual income. Our super powerful compensation plan is one of the best in the industry. It is a 3x7 forced matrix structure. You will receive $25 fast start bonuses for all of your personal referrals. You will get $10 per person for level 1. So once you have 3 members on this level, no matter who referred them, your cost is covered. Everything you earn on the rest of the levels is profit. You will receive $5 per person on level 2 and $2 per person for levels 3 through 7, no matter who referred them and even if you have not referred anyone. Your total monthly income potential is $6,609. There are no sponsoring requirements to be paid, but we show everyone very simple ways to get referrals in order to earn the fast start bonuses, and so the team grows faster. Also, there are no rank requirements to be qualified to earn the maximum amount, making this the perfect starter business, as well as a great add-on for those already in network marketing who are into building multiple income streams. This is worth repeating. You earn $25 bonuses for personal referrals, plus monthly residual income from 7 levels deep. And most of these members will be people you didn't even personally introduce to the company. With no sponsoring or rank requirements to get paid, your potential monthly income can reach impressive heights. Our team shows you exactly how to share this opportunity effectively. If you're tired of trading hours for dollars, this could be your solution. Be sure to connect with the member who shared this video with you, and right now, go ahead and secure your position. Do not delay. Your next step is to lock in your position right now for just $28. Become part of our great team. Click the sign up button, join, and then look out for your welcome email.